Okay, let's look at number 9 for the very end of this Unit 3 review. It says Gabby and Sydney bought some pens and pencils. Gabby bought 4 pens and 5 pencils for $6.71, while Sydney bought 5 pens and 3 pencils for $7.12. So I'm going to again use P for pens and L for pencils. And I like writing the scenario with the larger number first. This one's 671, so that's less, so we'll write that one second. 4 pens and 5 pencils is 671. So automatically I want to get 1 pen, so then I can multiply it by what I need to multiply it by, so that I can eliminate one of the variables, pens or pencils. So here I'll get 1p plus, now this is kind of weird, you're getting a negative here, minus 2 pencils equals, and then what's the difference here? You get 1, that is 4, and so this is 41 cents. Okay, so all I did was subtracted the second equation from the first equation. Now that I have this, and it looks like 4 would be the ideal scale, I'm going to scale up by 4, so multiply each term by 4. That way I can take this first equation, rewrite it, 4p plus 5l equals 671, and then subtract it from this equation, which is 4p minus 8l equals, and then I need to multiply 4 to 41. So I should have $1 and what would that be? 64 cents. Okay. Now that these both have the same coefficient, as you can see here, I can subtract this one from the one above it. And what do I get? 4p minus 4p, 0. 5l, or pencils, minus negative 8 pencils would be 13 pencils. And then 671 minus 164, this would be 6, get a 7, this would be 0, and this would be 5. So finally, to find out how much a pencil costs, I can do 507 divided by 13. Oh, this thinks this is a y. Cool. 39 cents. So we know 1 pencil is 39 cents. So if I know the cost of a pencil, I can plug this into this equation here, actually right here. Remember, pencil is L in this case for lápiz, because that's how you say it in Spanish. Okay, so I'm going to use just this right here, because we know this equation is true. Pencil minus 2 times 0.39 equals 41 cents. And then if I multiply 0.39 by 2, I get 78 cents. And then add 0.78 to both sides. what would that be? That would be 119, or 1.19. I think I did that right. Let's double check I did my math right. 78, 0.41 plus 0.78, 9, and 11. Cool. So we know the pencil cost, the pen cost $1.19. The pencil, or lapis, costs 39 cents. Scoot this out of the way. Let's look at this next one. At a sale on candles, Lexi bought 2 large candles and 5 small candles and paid $30. So let's use a capital L for large candles and a lowercase s for small candles. She paid $30. But Carl bought 1 large candle and 3 small candles and paid $16.75. Okay, so what's nice here is I can actually go straight to multiplying this second equation by 2 so that I'll have the same coefficient on our large candle. So this gives us 2L plus 6S equals 1675 times 2. It'd be 32 plus $1.50, so $33.50. So I will then subtract this from this equation. So I'll just rewrite this one right here. 2L plus 5S equals $30. And subtract these, I've eliminated the large candles from the equation, and now I just have 1 small candle costing $3.50. And just make sure we show that we've subtracted. So now that I know how much a small candle costs, I can plug it into whatever equation I want. I'll just plug it into this equation here. So we have 1 large candle, my pen, plus 3 small candles that cost $3.50 each, equals $16.75. Evaluate this, get $10.50. And then subtracts $10.50 from both sides, and I get that 1 large candle costs $6.25. Should probably be putting units on this. Dollars. So I have the cost of a small candle, and I have the cost of a large candle. Alright, let's try out this last one. A garden supply store sells 2 types of lawnmowers. The smaller mower costs $249.99, and the larger mower costs $329.99. Okay, so the small mower is $249.99, and the large mower is $329.99. If 30 total mowers were sold and the total sales for a given year was $8,379.70, find how many of each type were sold. Oh my goodness. So 8,379.70 was the total, and we shouldn't have written it like this. It should be every small mower costs $249.99, and every large mower costs that. So we have 24999 plus 32999 for each large mower costs that. Let's see. And then we also know that there were 30 sold. Between small and large. So we do have a system of equations. Maybe it'll look better like this. Now what we want to do is multiply this bottom equation by either 249.99 or by 329.99. We'll do this. Multiply this by 249.99. I wish they just gave us whole numbers, right? $7,499.7. Okay, so 249.99 S plus 249.99 L. Let's go back. Okay. Okay, so here we go. If I subtract the second equation from the first, let's get this guy out of the way. I will eliminate the small lawnmowers. Gotta do 8, 3, 7, 9, 70. This would be easier with the calculator, to be honest. We get 880. So 8. My pen is a disaster. 880 is equal to, and then we have to do 329.99 minus the 249.99 shown right here. Subtracting one from the other. What do we get? Sorry about that. This is a 4. Okay, so that's not working. There we go. 80. I guess I could have done that in my head. So 80L is equal to 880. In which case, 880 divided by 8 would be 11. So 11 lawnmowers are sold. And then we could just plug that back in here, so we know that the amount of small lawnmowers sold was 19. And I'm out of time.